Good afternoon. We are the DTS LEGO Robotics team, and today we're going to talk to you about a project that we're working on.
The problem that we want to solve is the fact that green organizations that help reduce the amount of waste thrown away aren't being used enough in the school system.
Rather than creating a new program altogether, we decided to focus on the Crayola Color Cycle program, which turns used-up markers into fuel. Our goal is to implement this program into schools starting with ours.
Color Cycle is a program whose purpose is to educate students about the importance of protecting the environment. Crayola does this by collecting used-up markers from schools across the nation and repurposing them into clean fuel.
A challenge that we face is having people practice the program. It seems like a lot of work having the used-up markers going to a recycling bin, and then the recycling bin going to the truck, and the truck taking it to the factory.
A solution that we thought of for that issue in our school was to have a kit ready, so the teachers and students don't have to do so much. For the teachers who register for the program, we'll give them a bag like so for their classroom, where students can throw away the used-up markers and instructions for how to use it. After about a week or so, our LEGO Robotics team will come to each classroom and collect the bags and the used markers. From there, a parent volunteer will package them so we can ship them to Crayola. As you might have noticed, the teachers and students don't have to do a lot, which makes the program seem a lot more accessible.
This program in schools would benefit our environment because just 8.3 pounds of markers can make 1 gallon of fuel. And if you take all of the markers thrown away each year, just think of all the fuel we can produce. This program is better than just throwing away markers in the trash because plastic takes at least 450 years to decompose. And even then, there are still microscopic pieces remaining. This is about 8 pounds of markers right here. We hope once we successfully import this program in our school that we'll get all Winston-Salem Forsyth County schools on board.